Marketed as a Canva alternative, this tool offers tremendous value for money. I recommend buying Tier 1, which includes 100 background removal credits per month, 200 GB cloud storage, with the option to download, delete, or store your files elsewhere. Unlimited projects, which is just awesome. The tool is packed with features, far too many to cover in just one video, but we'll try. Currently, it has a rating of 4 stars, mainly due to the back-end slowness, which has greatly improved over the last 9 months. The tool now loads up and runs fairly smoothly. I'd rate it a solid 7.5 out of 10, and I use it weekly. A standout feature with this deal is the new Beta Video Maker, available with both Tier 1 and Tier 2. Now, let's head over to the Plasfy website to run through the features. There are a lot. Right, we are on the Plasfy website and there is actually a free Plasfy account option for you to try. No credit card required, but some features will be locked. Okay, let's take a quick look at the official pricing and see how it compares to Canva's pricing. There are 3 tiers: free, starter, and professional. The Appsumo Tier 1 and Tier 2 deals are tied to the professional plan, making the Appsumo deal a steal no matter how you look at it. Canva costs $125 per year for their Pro plan, while the Plasfy Pro plan, when paid monthly, works out to $144 per year. This makes Canva the cheaper option, and it also offers a lot of cool AI tools. However, if you prefer to pay a one-time fee, consider getting the Plasfy lifetime deal on Appsumo. Keep in mind, though, that Plasfy, like other Canva alternatives, will struggle to come close to Canva. Okay, let's scroll through the Plasfy website and see the features they market before jumping into the software. Loads of fonts, a background remover, and hundreds of customizable templates for graphic design and social media. It's obviously marketed to be easy to use, which it is. There are numerous third-party integrations, including icons, graphics, and stock imagery. It has masking tools that can really make your design stand out, as well as a decent background remover. You can organize your work with folders, and it offers cut-out ready-to-use image graphics, vector art, and text. Additionally, you get access to AI art. There are just loads of features, really. You get a QR code maker, multi-page designs, download formats including WebP, emojis and stickers, mock-ups, and fast-loading third-party integrations. It's packed with features, too many for me to cover in one video, but I'll do my best. Let's dive into my Pro account. Okay, this is the Plasfy dashboard. On the left, we have navigation for templates, projects, font uploads, image generator, video builder, my account. In the main area, we can choose various design options, from my designs to custom layouts. You can also find recent designs here. We have social, marketing, print, office, advertising and custom. Let's go for social media. We have presets for all major social media post types. I'm going to choose a YouTube thumbnail for this video. So, as you can see, it does take a few moments for the template to load in, but trust me, this is a massive speed improvement compared to what it was. The actual design editor is much faster. We have a previous design loaded in. We can get rid of that by clicking the refresh button here and then remove. We now have a blank canvas to work with. Let's insert a new template. We have many categories to choose from, and we can open up a category by clicking View All. Let's look at leisure templates. Yep, lots of nice looking designs. Let's try travel. Again, lots of nice designs. But I think I'm going to keep looking. Try sports templates. Again, takes a short sec to load in templates, no big deal. Again, loads of nice templates. I'm looking for something that'll work for a YouTube thumbnail. Finally, we'll check out food templates and we'll just have to pick a design. Okay, I'm going for this design, otherwise we'll spend forever just browsing templates. Right, here is our design, and I've gone with this YouTube template design. We can change the document name, so we'll call it YouTube Book. We can resize the document. Adjust pixels. Choose vertical or horizontal orientation. Select unit types. Apply size to this page or all pages. Options include My Designs, Save Layout or just Save. Downloads. For downloads, we have all major file types. Resolution size. Download with transparent background. DPI settings. Download each page or all pages. We have our dumbbell icon and a layers panel on the left. We can rename items, hide them, and call it yellow box. We also have a group, which we'll rename dumbbell. We can hide or lock it. We have our text and white box, so I'm just going to move the white box and send the layer backward. Now you can see the transparent canvas. Right, we'll add a background color, head to Backgrounds tab, and we have a massive selection of colors to choose from, including gradients and images. But it looks like the images are not working. Well, I guess that is a bug. Let's try searching for an image. No, not working. Gradient. Colors. Let's pick a color. Or how about a gradient, manually or pick a preset. Yeah, that looks good. Fonts. We have all the Google fonts available to us. We'll pick this one. We can resize the text, and we get alignment guides when we move the text around, which is super handy. We can change the font color with a wide selection of colors. We can give the font a stroke and change the stroke color and weight. We have text alignment options and spacing options for letter spacing and line height. We can give the text a shadow and even change the shadow color. We can apply a gradient to the text. We can add a line below, through, or above the text, and even add bullet points to the text. We have rotation options and rotation presets, or you can select the text and manually rotate it. Of course, if you make a mistake or don't like an edit, you can undo it. We have opacity controls, basic layer positions, and an advanced pop-up with text position settings and more. We even have right-click features. Go to Overlays. We have mock-ups, various badge categories, that can all be customized. Elements, loads of options here. We have a QR maker, and you just have to type in the full URL link and choose QR or barcode, and you can even change the QR code color. Emojis. We have a large collection of emoji categories. Let's look at the animal emojis, and we'll choose this red crab, enlarge it, and we'll place it on the dumbbell. And of course we can customize the crab colors, like so, and we can even ungroup the crab elements for even more creative design control. Let's add another animal. How about a deer? And again, we can customize the colors. Look at Noun Project, and we get a bunch of icons to choose from. But it looks like there is a bug in adding a noun item. Illustrations. We get a nice collection of images. Google Maps feature. I've not used this yet. We have a blob maker, with various settings and presets to choose from, and yes, you can change the colors. SVG icons, and we'll add one, and move it to the back with the Layers panel. Let's take a look at the grids, an interesting feature for helping you create more creative layout designs. Shapes, lots of cool features inside the Shapes folder. From basic shapes, to brush strokes to abstract designs. Let's look at the arrow collection. Yeah, some nice looking graphics here. Let's add this fancy arrow design, resize it and change the color. In fact, we'll add a stroke weight and color to the design. Ooh, 3D Bay is an interesting set to look at. Lots of nice looking 3D graphics here. Through some categories can be limited, all the graphics do look good. let's add this one and take a closer look. Actually, let's add another page, as this one is getting full. Head to the right side and click Add Page. You get unlimited pages with Plasfy. Right, let's try this again. So, great looking 3D image, however, it doesn't look like we can customize the colors or anything. Still, good for social marketing. Let's add a sticker or two. Plasfy has a great collection of stickers, loads of categories to choose from. We'll add a bee, resize it, and we can change the colors like so. Popsy art, nice graphic line art style of icons that are fully customizable. We'll add a Christmas tree for fun. Resize the tree, and we'll change the colors and add a stroke. Looks like Plasfy is crashing a little with the stroke. But Plasfy recovered without me having to refresh the page. Flaticon, collection of icons. I'm sure you've seen these before, photo frames, which are masked blobs with images. Head back to the Backgrounds tab, and we'll add a new background to my third page. We'll go with a preset gradient. Okay, next, we'll explore the Photos tab. You can upload images, add image from URL, SVG code, popular stock sites, or even grab images off social media pages, cloud folders. Let's look at avatars, and these are image avatars, and again we have various categories to browse. Let's look at the colorful collection, and we'll pick this lady. Resize her, and she looks rather blurred when enlarged, which is disappointing. Right, let's remove her background, and with Tier 1 Appsumo plan you get 100 background removal credits per month. And I'd say the background removal worked pretty well, but it was a relatively easy background to remove. Let's try the background remover again with this yoga image, which we'll set as the background image. So it does take a couple of seconds for the background remover to work, but at least it does work. And, yeah, that came out great, quite crisp actually. Let's see the image on no background and on black, on color. Yep, looks good. We can add various text headings, and we have a massive selection of pre-built, fully customizable text options available to us. For this demo, we'll add a simple heading and write, float yoga, so floating on air is how you'll feel, ha. Move it, resize it, change the color, and make the font bold. Let's give the text a drop shadow to make it pop. Yep, looks great. Right, let's add a sea image for the woman to float on whilst doing her yoga float. This will do. Now we just need to resize it and ideally remove the sky background using the background remover tool. Well, it almost worked. We still have a bit of island in the background, but other than that, the background worked a treat. Let's move on. I've added these yoga cutout images, and this preset graphic looks great. I think I'll add another one. Yep, we now have a real yoga theme going. Let's go to the background and play around with color and gradient options. Finally, I think I'll add a text tag preset, which is also customizable. Not perfect or ideal, but you get the idea. And there we have it. And there we have it, a yoga-themed YouTube thumbnail. So let's look back at page 2 and page 1. Yes, pretty chaotic designs, but at least you got a glimpse into what Plasfy is like. Remember, you can try Plasfy for free, but I'd recommend picking up the Tier 1 plan over at Appsumo. You can get all the pro features of Plasfy for life with a one-time payment of just $29. Not only that, you get access to the new I Video Maker, which is a Plasfy add-on product, at no additional cost.
Please like and subscribe.